Yo, hold on. Welcome back to my journey. It's day, I don't know, my guess is 35. I'm not sure though. I'll get right into it. Today was like all of the news for the British pound, and then there were the unemployment claims for the US dollar, but that was only at 2:30 p.m. So yeah, so I didn't even look at the pound, but I did look at the Euro USD, and before London session we were bullish on the 4 hour, and on the 1 hour we were bullish as bearish as well. Sorry, my bad. I marked out this as liquidity, and that did get swept, but then I don't know, I noticed it, and then I marked out the building blocks, and then I just decided to just not do anything anymore. I'm not sure why I did that, because there would have been a trade that I could have taken. So I went on the 1 hour, marked out the liquidity sweep, marked out the breaker block, so order block, breaker block, and then that was, by the way, after London session that I marked this out, because I'm not sure why I didn't take this, because that would have been like the setups that I usually take. So I marked out this fair value gap that obviously got pushed into and then continued to move downwards, but that was all before London session, so yeah, it doesn't I couldn't even have traded that anyways. Straight into London session, however, we had this massive fair value gap formed, and then we had just this kind of fill, and then we pushed into it again, and then continued downward. Then there were some more fair value gaps, this one here, which also got completely filled, and then we went down, and then this one here was just, yeah, got absolutely filled. But yeah, if I instead of just doing nothing, and I would have used this liquidity sweep as a real liquidity sweep and hadn't just waited until it hit that once more and took out that, I could have entered off this. So probably that would have been like either after this candle close, or if I would have wanted to wait for a candle to push really into that, then I would have entered after this one right here. My take profits would have been also, yeah, stop loss 5 pips above the fair value gap, so a 7 pip stop loss. And if I go onto the 1 hour, my risk to reward would have been here and this low, and that would have been a 1.2 that would have gotten hit on both take profits. Yeah, I was also quite lucky that I didn't take the trade, because I didn't realize that unemployment claims just absolutely demolished the markets. Because as you can see, this candle, if I go down to the 30 minutes, this is at 14:30 or 2:30 p.m., which was right when unemployment claims came out, and they were bullish for the euro, or bearish against the dollar. And that just absolutely changed the whole bias and just pushed all the way through that. So I guess lucky and unlucky at the same time. Tomorrow I will have to be more alert to not miss out on this stuff again. Yeah, that's it for today. See you tomorrow.